How to get more viewers on your Whatnot live stream. Getting more viewers on your Whatnot live stream involves a mix of promotion, preparation, presentation, and consistency. First of all, is title. Use a catchy, clear, and relevant stream title. Then, thumbnail. Use a clean, attractive image that shows what you are selling. Then, tags and category. Select accurate tags and list your stream under the right category. Then, promote before you go live. Schedule your stream ahead of time so followers get a reminder. Also, you can share the link on other social media platforms. Upload quality images and description for your products and maintain a consistent style or niche. Encourage follows so people get notified of future streams. Set a regular schedule. Mention your next stream at the end of each one, and consistency builds a returning audience. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.